Hi guys, today we have colorful crayons. We also have some colorful balls. Would you help me match the colors? I am going to use this spoon to pick up the balls. And the first ball is blue. Do you know where it goes? It goes right here in the blue crayon. Good job! The blue ball is in the blue crayon and there's something inside. It's a little blue dinosaur. Let's put it together. Dinosaurs lived on the earth millions of years ago. I also can see a letter. Do you know what letter is this?
Letter B.
Yes, you're right. It's letter B, and B is for ball. I can see something else. Look, it's Thomas the train. And Thomas is blue. Thomas likes running on a track, so let's give him a track. Thomas is happy. He is really fast. The next ball is green. Where does it go? Right here, in the green crayon. Let's see what's inside. Look, there are 2 toys. First, let's see what is this. It's number 6, and this number can transform. I'm wondering what we can make. First, we open here. I can see a head. I think I know what it is. Look, it's really cool. It's a dinosaur. There's something else. It's a Play-Doh. Let's roll it out. This is a Play-Doh cutter and has animal shapes. Which one will we choose? I will choose the parrot. Do you know what is a parrot? Parrot is a bright and colorful bird. It has a curved beak and can copy sounds like human voice. Check this out. Hello, I am a parrot.
Hello, I am a parrot.
Are you having fun?
Are you having fun?
My colors are beautiful.
My colors are beautiful.
I like you.
I like you.